Hi Andy, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. This is the 2007 GMC Canyon that you had some interest in. I'm going to go around the exterior and the interior of the truck and just kind of show you overall condition. I know Brett had mentioned you wanted to take a peek underneath, so I'm going to try to get as good of a shot as I can of any corrosion or any rust underneath the truck. But I'm going to start just going around the vehicle to see if there's any major cosmetic issues, but really this truck is very straight. The front bumper, the hood, both fenders are in excellent condition. No dents, dings, or anything like that. No broken grill. Headlights are in good shape. They're not glazed over or fogged over. Windshield looks like it's in good shape. No cracks or chips that I can see. Driver's side door. It does look like there's a little bit of paint coming off here. It is bubbling up a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's definitely just starting. I don't know if you can see that there. It looks like they did have a little rock chip here and some chips inside that there that were filled, which will definitely help. Driver's side bed, there's just a few rock chips on this little guard there, but otherwise no scratches, no dents. The canopy is in good shape too. There's no dents or major scratches in it either. Rear bumper and tailgate look to be in pretty good shape. I'm just looking for anything that might be noticeable. Just looking at the bumper here, it may have at one point in time got bumped by something, maybe at the hitch, to where it gave it a little indent there, but not a real big deal. You gotta really be looking for it. Tailgate opens properly and everything, and really it's something that you really ought to be looking at to see. Passenger side bed also in great condition, and along with the passenger door, I don't see any of that bubbling on the paint below. Now I'm going to try to get under here as good as I can without it being on a hoist. Tires are in excellent condition. I don't know if you can tell the tread there. But there is some surface rust on the frame, but for model year, it's actually not too bad. And there is a lot of dirt under here, I apologize, but you can see that the differential does have some surface rust on it, but you can definitely still see the original color of the metal. Those leaf springs have a little bit of surface rust on them. I'm going to go check out the front side here. And again, a lot of that surface rust. Just trying to get the best angles here. I may even just check it out. I don't know if you can see any of that. It might be a little bit too dark. Let it focus. That frame looks to be in pretty good shape, really. Take a look at this side, since this did have, it's about the same pretty much all the way around. And they would have put this in the air, checked for any, missing bolts or anything that would have been damaged by any of this, but it all looks to be in pretty good shape overall. And I apologize, this is still pretty dirty under here. They must have taken it on a muddy road. Take a look at the hoping you can see this and that it's focusing enough to tell the condition overall. Let's see if there's a better angle here. Bed here. I know that there is a spare tire in the back, but the bed, it looks to be in pretty good shape. Not much going on back here. There's a bed mat, and then that spare tire and the jack is back here. Let's take a look on the interior. Vinyl floors, which make it much easier to clean. Manual locks and windows. Seats are in good shape. There's no tears or funny smells in here. No cigarette burns. All the knobs are there and functioning properly. There's your 4-wheel drive options there. This does have 4 doors, so you can open this little extended cab door into the back. There are no jump seats in here. Just to confirm the miles for you as well, let me turn this on. Yeah, 62,307 is the mileage. So very low miles for the model year. Alright, Andy, if there's anything that I missed, or if you need me to get underneath this pickup a little bit more, you just let me know and I can get it up on a hoist potentially. That way we can do a little walk around underneath. But if you have any questions, give us a call, 208-263-2138. Thanks, Andy.